1, 2, 3.
Go down in the quick back! I saw her head pop!
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 amazing magic tricks revealed. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go! Okay, V, I have a really cool card trick to show you. So I have 2 decks of cards here. I have a red deck of cards and a blue deck of cards, right?
Alright.
So pick either one, just point to the red or the blue. Which one? Which one do you want to do? The blue? Okay. Both of the decks are rubber banded up. We're going to remove the rubber band from this deck. I'll show you that all the cards in the deck are different. You can see. I'm going to dribble through the cards like this, and you say stop whenever you want to. Okay? So whenever you want, say stop.
Stop.
There. Take a look at the card.
Okay.
Lock it in your mind. Show it to the camera as well. Got it? Okay. The card's going to go back in the deck just like this, and we're going to sit the blue deck down here, and we're going to do the rest of the trick with the red deck. Okay? So the red deck has been banded up here the whole time. You have that card that you picked from the blue deck still in your mind, right?
Yes.
Okay, keep that locked in your mind. That's key. So you can see the red deck is banded up like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep that card locked in your mind, the card from this deck. Watch, I throw it up in the air. 1, 2, 3.
What? How did it even spin on the deck?
Look. Get out. This is the crazy part though. So
What if I picked red?
Watch. So the blue deck, here's the crazy part. Your card is actually gone from the blue deck.
Stop!
Look.
What? It's not here? That is one of the coolest ones I've ever seen.
Okay, check this out. I'm going to make this tree disappear. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, the tree magically vanishes. Look, it really is gone. Check this out. No more tree. It totally disappears, vanishes into thin air. This is the perfect magic trick to perform at the dinner table because all you need is a drinking glass and a coin. So check this out. Empty hand, empty glass. Now watch, we're going to take the coin. 1, 2, 3. And it goes right through the glass. Just like that. You can hand both of these out for examination to the audience. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to teach you how it's done. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
I'm blindfolded.
Evan, we are not doing that again. We are not doing that again. Take it off.
I need to take my
I don't want to take the... You're being really funny and it looks hilarious, but I'm telling you, you're not doing that. Like, I'm going to have to get out. Don't! Evan, are you kidding? Evan, are you serious? Don't grab the wheel. You can't see. There's a tree. Are you kidding right now? Can we please stop? Are you serious? I can't get out. Are you going to keep driving? Evan! What are you doing? Stop! Oh my God. Like, can we not? Evan! Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. All right, here we go.
You gotta kind of be my eyes.
Oh, okay. Straight,
Yep.
but slow down. Because this is so fun. And I'm so excited.
You good?
You did the craziest stuff. Oh, there's a quick one. Slow down. There's a quick What an adventure. I wish you could see it.
Okay, check this out. Okay guys, check this out. So Rory's sitting in the chair right here. So I've got a blanket right here. I'm gonna raise this up and drape it over her head just like this. Okay. Now watch, if I grab her head. Watch.
How would you even do that? I saw her head pop.
Alright, here's how the tricks are done. I'm about to reveal the secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'm going to teach you how they're done right now. Okay, this is an Evan Era original. I invented this trick just for this video and I'm giving the secret away to you for free. All you're gonna need to pull this off is some double-sided tape, a few rubber bands, and a double face card. These are available at EvanEraTV.com. If you don't have any double face cards, this is key to performing this trick. One of the decks is going to get rubber banded up just like this. You wanna make sure your force card in the other deck, in this case it's the blue deck, is on the bottom, just like this. And that double face card, it's gonna go right on top of our other deck. This is our force card. This is the card that gets revealed. This card on the bottom, we want to make sure it matches the card on the bottom of the red deck. Once you have that red deck rubber banded up, you're going to take an extra rubber band and wrap it around this right here. Now you're going to take this top card, lift it up, and twist it clockwise once and then twice. And now we're going to pinch it like this, and you can see right here where the rubber band is folded over, you're going to pinch that as you fold the card around the back of the deck. Once we've got this set up like this, you're then free to just set this down on the table. Now when you pick this up, you have to be careful because it's spring loaded. It's gonna pop around to the front of the deck like that. Now that brings us to the blue deck. You've got your force card here on the bottom. You're gonna put a little piece of double-sided tape right on the top card, right there on the back. We're going to make them pick the 8 of hearts. And the way we're gonna do that is with a dribble force. You're going to cut off a portion of card and keep a break in between that top card and the bottom card of the deck. Grab them like this with the other hand and dribble into this hand. And you tell the spectator to say stop whenever they want. Now the key here is to get the timing right so that you stop right on this 8. We're gonna drop that card right on top, and as we squeeze these together, as we set them down, the work is already done. We've got the red deck rubber banded up here. You're gonna give a quick glance of the bottom just to show that there's no sign of that 8 of hearts. You wanna tell them to keep that card locked in their mind. Then you're just gonna toss this up in the air, and it's completely self-working. You just toss it up and the card will pop right on top of the deck just like that. You wanna be careful not to show the back of the 8. Pluck it out like this, toss it to the side, and then you can come over here to the blue deck, flip it over, show that the 8 has completely vanished from the blue deck, and then take your applause from the audience. If you enjoyed this trick, thumbs up the video and leave me a comment down below. All right, so there's only so many ways to create that illusion without using CGI, like computer graphics, to just digitally remove the tree. Really, the only way to do it is to actually cut down the tree. Now, before you get mad thinking I just cut this tree down for a magic trick, let me give you the backstory. I had a professional arborist come out and look at the trees on our property, and they said the tree has a rare tree fungus that's killing it, and if we don't cut it down, it could spread to the other trees on the property. We had to cut it down, so I figured why not make a magic trick out of it. That way the tree is forever immortalized in this video. Hashtag Team Trees. So we hired a tree service to come out. They're gonna completely move it out of here. They're gonna grind up the stump and completely level out the ground so it looks like the tree just completely vanishes. So this is the dirty work. This is how the sausage is made right here. This is what you guys didn't see. How magic works behind the scenes. So this is the behind the scenes of how we did the disappearing tree illusion, and now my front yard looks a lot bigger. The explanation for the coin through the glass trick. You need 2 coins. One of them is going to go on the table. This one is going to get concealed in your hand, gripped between these 2 fingers. And that coin's going to get concealed behind the glass just like that. You're going to present the glass and the coin, then set them both down on the table. Show this hand being empty as you reposition this hand with the coin right above the rim of the glass. Now the next part is the really crucial move of this trick. You're going to ditch this coin into your lap as you pick it up. So you need to be seated at a table for this with the audience in front of you. So when you grab the coin, you're sweeping it off the table right into your lap. But you're going to feign picking it up and then clenching it in your fist. As you come over to the glass right at the bottom here, 1, 2, 3, you're gonna open the hand at the bottom and at the same time, let the coin on top here drop into the glass. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like at full speed. I have nothing in this hand and an empty glass. I'm going to take the coin here in my hand. 1, 2, 3. Here is the explanation for driving blind. You've seen magicians do this, you've seen me do this in episodes before, but this is one of our top selling products on the shop. It's a fan favorite. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick one up if you don't have one, or stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away a see-through blindfold to one lucky comment in the comment section. It comes with a set of instructions and your see-through blindfold. So the beauty of this is you can actually let the person look through the blindfold before the performance and it looks completely opaque. They cannot see through it. Then all you have to do is secretly slide this ribbon over and this panel shifts into place inside the blindfold that then allows you to see through it. But from the front, they have no idea. This is perfect for any routine where you want to appear as if you're blindfolded but still have the ability to see. So you can do this for like a mind reading trick, have somebody hold up a number of fingers or something like that. The possibilities are endless. Pick up a magic see-through blindfold at EvanEraTV.com. Link is in the description. Okay, here's what you need to pull off the bottle rocket trick at home. This is super cool, but if you're a kid, you definitely want an adult's help with this. So you're going to need some rubbing alcohol, some some tape, a piece of straw, some string, and a plastic 2-liter bottle. Tape the straw on top of the bottle just like this. Your next step is to take one end of the string and tie it to something in the room. You want to measure out just how long you need the string to be to get to the other point that you're going to anchor it to. You're going to go ahead and just snip the string right there. You're then going to string the bottle onto the piece of string using the straw. Once it pops out of the other side of the straw, you're just going to pull that through. You're going to go ahead and anchor this, and we're just going to make sure that the line is tight. So now the bottle can slide back and forth across the string just like that. All we need is the alcohol to propel it forward. Your second to last step is to add just a little bit of the rubbing alcohol to the bottle. You don't need a whole lot. Swirl it around inside the bottle. Okay, check this out. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. And be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. There's a link in the top of the description. That is our online shop. You can get the magic see-through blindfold. You can get decks of playing cards, including the double face playing cards so that you can perform the banded deck trick. And you can also get Laugh at Life balloons and a lot of other cool magic tricks and Laugh at Life merch. Again, the link for that is EvanEraTV.com. Thank you for supporting our small family business. When you place an order on our shop, you directly support the channel and help us keep making videos like this. There are magic tricks for all skill levels, all ages, and it's fun for the whole family. Check out the link in the description. And be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter. Links for those are in the description as well. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away the magic see-through blindfolds, I'm giving away decks of cards, giving away the double face decks of cards, and some Laugh at Life balloons. All of that is up for grabs in the giveaway. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up to be entered in the giveaway. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Again, congratulations to our winners of that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and leave the comments down below. Alright, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.